What's up, sweeties? It's TL, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left in center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
Alright, y'all, so listen. It's been a while since I picked up my phone and started vlogging and recording and doing DIY projects and all that stuff, okay? Let me tell y'all why, because I woke up like this. I just want to chill. I don't feel like doing my hair sometimes. Kids are out of school now, so I really got time to just... My nails popped off. Eyelash kind of off. This is real life, okay? I've been a little clogged up with allergies. I got a new allergy every year. Just kind of been having like creator's block, I guess I can say. I haven't really been knowing what to record, you know? So I'm like, just pick up the phone and start recording. Record Lifeasteeelle. And right now I sound like my breath stink. I've been sounding like this for like 2 weeks now. It's weird. I'm gonna do my hair, make the kids some breakfast, clean up. Enjoy this vlog. Subscribe if you enjoy the content. Click the bell. This is the raw and the real, like always. It's just that I haven't done a vlog in so long. So y'all be seeing me do my DIY projects when I'm already together, behind the camera, ready to go. I am dressed. Chill. So let me show. So I am dressed, okay? But I just have this arm out because if you know, you know I have HIDRADENITIS, SUPPURATIva. If you don't know, go ahead and watch that video. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. But my flare-up's been bad. Real bad. Let's get going, y'all. Act bad, act bad, act bad. It's time to act bad. See you on the next clip. Alright, y'all. I just got out the shower. So my hair's a little damp. And that's how I like it, because it slicks up better. So let's get this hair together. Just going to do a quick little updo. Put on some loungewear because I'm about to do a DIY video. So, of course, my main product that I use for my hair is in the car. And the car's not here. I'm just going to use this fishtail braid that I got. It's easy. It's a wraparound. I need a new one, actually. So it's a wraparound. So you get 2 clips on the side, 1 in the middle. Whenever I don't have my edge booster, I have to use my black gel from back in the day. Don't act like you don't know where you came from. All right, so boom. I'm just gonna put this up. Ooh, how to get all that in my hair? This just means that my edges aren't gonna be as swooped and slicked and sleeked as I want them, but it'll be fine. Wet. The edge booster is real sticky. Oh, look at them arms, baby. I got them arms, them back in the day grandmama arms where you know she can cook. That's what them arms look like. Take gas to be, give it a little sticky, icky. Don't do it. Don't pop, don't pop, don't pop. Okay, boom. It's a little lump, but it's all right. I'm done. It's like, all right, let's put this in a little twisty ball. We're making up stuff. Twisty ball. Twisty ball. Twist around like that. Boom, bling, blah, burr. 17 brick squat. Rubber bands. Boom, boom, boom. That's done. See that? Okay. Put that pin right there. And then we're going to bring this side around like that. Bring this other side around like that. We call this a day, honey. Where my bobby pin at? We gonna call it a day, bae. So when I go swimming, which I did the other day, I just wrap this around like this. Boom, that's a style. Not that. Boom, boom. Hurry up, poo. The nails for today, I got all my nails somewhat, I ain't even gonna lie to you, I ain't got them organized that much because I have nails at my bar area, on my mantelpiece, like on my nightstand, like there's just nails everywhere.
Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian.
Oh, see, look, I got nails just. Here's my orange joints. My orange stilettos. Stilettos. Pumps in the club. Whoever thought that these girls would get wrong? We rock the stilettos. Oh, we rock the stilettos. Oh, we rock the stilettos. Oh. All right.
Thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so
So you don't want pancakes and bacon?
After my cereal.
You want cereal, fruity? You want cereal, pancakes, and bacon? That's a lot of sugar. That's a lot of sugar, boy.
Jerry!
What's Zuri doing? She better not be in my kitchen. Zuri. I don't say that whole pets in the kitchen thing, or the dining room, or on furniture. No sir, not me. Where's she at? I don't play them games. This has been helping me tremendously. Apple cider vinegar. I take a shot of this. and put some water with it. Let me rinse this out real quick. And it really helps curb my appetite and just helps, you know, apple cider vinegar helps with a lot of things. Look it up because I ain't about to say her name, all of them. You have to do some research, okay? But it does help. Help with blood sugar, blood pressure, like, all that stuff. Okay, weight loss. So I'm gonna do about that much apple cider vinegar. Nastiest thing ever. I'm gonna take my water. Ooh, my eyelashes getting stuck because I used the Q-tip. Take my water, add that in. Get the dog out the kitchen. I do not like dogs and pets and mixing with food and countertops and stuff. I won't play them games over here. Okay. Cheers.
That's nasty.
How would you throw the whole entire thing in the trash? What?
You threw the whole entire thing in the trash.
The glass, yeah.
Why not just rinse it out?
Girl, because it's plastic. How do you throw it away? Oh, can you not talk to me right now? I'm trying to get myself together. Ooh. Hey, what I want to ask y'all is how did Fruity Pebbles get all over my small appliances here? Somebody know. Somebody know what's going on. Baby, that wasn't it. What does apple cider vinegar do for females? It's good for women as it alleviates bloating, cramping, irritability associated with PMS or the little dot at the end of a sentence. You gotta tread lightly on YouTube. You don't know. Let's see what else. Who should not take apple cider vinegar? People with digestive issues, low potassium levels, or diabetes should consider speaking to a doctor before consuming apple cider vinegar. Anyone who experiences get that dog out my kitchen for the 10th time, I ain't gonna play on her, she's going outside. Anyone who experiences severe side effects should consult a medical professional. Can apple cider vinegar make your blood pressure go up? Despite several claims, it is only valid to say that apple cider vinegar does not directly impact your blood pressure levels. However, it can help lower blood pressure by acting on the factors causing it. Therefore, drinking it can work as an extra boost to your blood pressure treatment plan. See? All right, so here's Mama's pancakes. He said he wants some bananas in his pancakes, so I'm gonna cut up a banana.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear